William Edwards Deming was born in 1900 in Sioux City, Iowa, and raised in Wyoming. A physicist by training, he earned his doctorate from Yale in 1928, but it was a series of summer jobs at Western Electric's Hawthorne plant that changed the course of his life. It was there that he met Walter A. Shewhart and became fascinated by Shewart's methods for standardizing production. During World War II, he was recruited by the War Department to teach statistical process control, SPC, to the defense industry as quality was considered a critical factor in the war effort. In 1950, Deming was invited to Japan to help with their census and to lecture business leaders on quality. The Japanese embraced his techniques with such fervor that they transformed their economy, leading the emperor to award Deming the Second Order of the Sacred Treasure in 1960. Ironically, Deming remained relatively unknown in his own country until 1980, when an NBC documentary titled, "If Japan Can, Why Can't We?" thrust him into the American spotlight at the age of 80. Deming's philosophy was built on what he called the chain reaction. He argued that as you improve quality, you decrease costs due to less rework and fewer mistakes. This improves productivity, allowing you to capture the market with better quality at a lower price. Ultimately, this allows a company to stay in business and provide more jobs. In his landmark book, Out of the Crisis, he introduced his famous 14 points for management. These points challenge traditional Western management styles. He advocated for the removal of barriers that rob workers of their pride in workmanship, the elimination of slogans and numerical quotas, and most importantly, the need to drive out fear so that everyone can work effectively. Deming also refined the scientific method for improvement. While Shewhart created the Plan-Do-Check-Act cycle, Deming modified it into the Plan-Do-Study Act, PDSA, cycle, emphasizing the need to study results and connect theory to practice. In his final years, he outlined the system of profound knowledge, appreciation for a system, optimizing the whole rather than individual parts, knowledge of variation, distinguishing between common and special causes, theory of knowledge, understanding that experience alone teaches nothing without a theory, psychology, understanding what truly motivates people. Deming famously noted that defects are not free, because someone makes them and gets paid for making them. He believed that the bulk of quality problems, nearly 85%, belong to the system and are therefore the responsibility of management to fix, not the workers. Drive W. Edwards Deming died in 1993 at the age of 93, leaving behind a legacy that transformed quality from a technical specialty into a global management philosophy. Today, he is revered as the father of the modern quality revolution.